Hello friends, Kalpana Shambhavi Boutique. You must be knowing my boutique's address, but I would like to say it again. It's in Aziz Nagar, Kodambakam, very close to Raghavendra Kalyana Mandapam. So my number is 98413 80360. Yeah. So today I'm going to show you some silk cotton varieties, silk cotton sari varieties. It is soft silk varieties. It is little different from the soft silk. In lesser range, you get really grand ones. It looks like silk, like even I would say that it is like more than the silk saris, the Kanjipuram saris which we see in the markets. So, but the 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 quality and the design, it's something very similar to the Kanjipuram saris. So now let's see the varieties. So I begin with a sari with green and maroon. This actually, it looks like the Vairavusi Kattam in Kanjipuram sari. That is what it reminds me of. It is not that heavy at all. It is very, very simple, and this is the pallu, and the blouse comes as this. This is the blouse. So it looks like a typical Kanjipuram sari, but it is not at all heavy, or you cannot say that it is not a silk sari at all. It looks so grand. So this is green with maroon, and the next one is I think this is lime green again with maroon, and see the ball, and the pallu is this. And the blouse comes here like this. So this is the blouse. This comes as a blouse. So this comes in a very beautiful shade, as well as it has got a lightweight effect also. It's not too heavy like the Kanjipurams. And the next color we have is, it's another parrot green with maroon. It's a beautiful bright combination, and again with the blouse is this. This is the blouse. Next one is a checked one. This is also the same variety, the soft silk ones. The checked ones with the pallu comes like this. The pallu is this, and it has got a checked blouse too. This is the blouse piece. So you don't even have to have some designs done on the blouse. This has got a checked, zari checked also in the blouse. Just a simple piping will do. And we do undertake tailoring also. So any type of dresses or saris or blouses or any work can be done for you all. Next is same thing in a green, in a grayish green with green pallu and a green checked blouse. This is the blouse of this sari. This is the blouse. So it looks very grand when you wear it. Can go for any small function, or even a wedding is also fine. And if you don't like zari in the border, you can have an option of checked with that temple design on the pallu, on the border, and with the pallu will have some zari, and it has got a blouse. This is the blouse for the sari. Blouse. This is a nice cream with multicolor, and this is a dark navy blue. It's not black, this is a navy blue. And the same thing, this has got the pallu here, and the blouse is also, this is the blouse. It has got the checked, this is the blouse. And next we have something in little grand in a cotton variety called Tripura cotton. This is actually it's coming new in the market, and it goes very well even for small functions. This has come out in very beautiful shades, I would say, and the price is also very nominal. So this is got the Pochambali border. This is a Pochambali border, and this is the pallu, and this is the blouse of the sari. It's a purple with turquoise blue. Very beautiful combination. And the next we have in the checked one, the Tripura silk cotton. It's the baby pink with green. See this. This is the green. It's a lovely combination, and the blouse comes as this way. This is the blouse. And the next one is, it's a nice bright Rani, it's a shocking pink, I would say. It's a nice shocking pink with lemon yellow. And it has got the Pochambali border. This is the border, and this is the blouse of the sari. It's a beautiful sari, I would say. Now we have another set of material called it's called as the linens are there plenty, and now it has come in a different different variety, I would say. It's linen cotton, and you see the design of this. It is very comfortable to wear, and very beautiful color combination with a nice beautiful design. And this has got a running blouse. So either you can have the same blouse, or you can match it with other blouses too. It's a nice red with orangish red. And the next one, what we have is orange. Actually, these are all very comfortable to wear. Now summer is approaching, so we can prefer to have these kind of saris. It's a very pretty color also, nice summery color. So these are all linen cottons, and we have more colors in this also. And next we have another one. Today I'm wearing a bandage, a bandhani material, bandhani sari. So in the same thing, I would like to introduce another variety in bandhani. It is actually Mudal silk, we say, bandhani and ajrak pallu. So we have some colors in that. I'll show you some of the colors we have here. This is a red bandhani. It looks like a crepe material, and this has got a ajrak pallu. This is the pallu, and you can see the blouse is also like this. It's a beautiful combination. This is a nice chili red with a nice lemon yellow ajrak print, and with the ajrak blouse too. And the next one, what we have is a mustard. The material is so flowy and so nice. No need to iron also. Just simple wash. And this is the pallu, the Ajrak print, and this is the blouse for this sari. Yeah. So these are some of the saris which I have told you in this video. There are many more varieties to come up, and in case you are interested, you can send WhatsApp to 98413 80360, and see you for next set of collections in the next video. Thank you so much.